everyone. I hope you all will be fine, safe and healthy at your home, and I hope you all will be enjoying your online classes. So let us start our today's session. In our today's session, I have brought the study of acids and bases. So here, as you can see on the paper, as I have written, the some concept that was given by the different scientists about the acids and bases that I am going to discuss with you. So the first concept that was given by Arrhenius, that is Arrhenius concept. Next is of Bronsted-Lowry concept, and third is of Lewis concept. After that, we will discuss about the pH values of acids and the bases, how these are to be find out, that I will also discuss with you. So first of all, you have to see here, as you have studied in your lower classes, what is to be taught to you. Simply you have studied any substance which release H plus ion, this is of acid, and which releases OH ion, that will be of basic. But some different scientists, they have given some new concepts about the acids and bases. So according to Arrhenius, that you have to understand any substance which will be H plus donor. Okay, the substance which is able to liberate H plus ion, that will be acid in the nature. And any substance which liberate OH ion, okay, OH donor, so that will be of basic in the nature. So this was a simple concept that was given by Arrhenius. But in the Bronsted-Lowry concept, that the concept was not based upon the OH ion. That concept was the substance which liberate H plus ion. Simply you can say H plus donor, this is of acid, and against it the substance which accept H plus ion. So simply you can write there H plus ion acceptor. So this will be of basic in the nature. Okay, so this is the main difference between the Arrhenius and Bronsted-Lowry concept. Now let's talk about the Lewis concept. It is totally based on lone pair concept. Okay, so according to that, any substance which have the lone pair and which will be having the lone pair, that have the capability to donate the lone pair. So simply you can write there in a short language, lone pair donor. Okay, so that will be basic. Okay, which is having a lone pair, this is having the capability to donate the lone pair. So lone pair donor will be basic in the nature. And the substance which is lone pair acceptor, against it the substance which will accept the lone pair, that will be of acidic in the nature. Okay, so that are the main basic difference between the concepts of that was given by the different scientists, Arrhenius, Bronsted-Lowry, and the Lewis concept. And after the end of the session, we will discuss some questions related to that concept also. So let us talk about the pH value first. So here you have to understand, as we talk about the acidic and the basic substances, so what is to be taught to you in the lower classes normally, the substance which is able to convert the color of the litmus paper blue to red, that will be acidic in the nature. Which is able to convert red to blue, that will be basic in the nature. So as we talk about the pH paper, as I have taught you in the lower classes, so the substance which is able to convert or turn the color of the pH paper orange to red, so that means the substance will be acidic in the nature. Okay, if blue to violet, so that will be basic in the nature, that you have to understand. Now the next thing which just I want to discuss with you, what is the pH? So pH means potence, means power of hydrogen ion. Okay, so simply mathematically we can write what is pH. So pH can be denoted as negative logarithm of H plus ion. So you can define that it is negative logarithm of hydrogen ion. So that we have to call it, this is pH, and this formula will be used to calculate the pH of any substance in the numerical problem. Against it, suppose first let me tell you who gave the pH scale. pH scale that was given, the scientist name, that is Sorensen. Okay, that you have to understand. So Sorensen that gave the pH scale, and you know that its value starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and it reaches up to the 14. The substance on the 7, that will be neutral in the nature, and that gives the light green color, that you have to understand, not the dark green. If the substance is going to be dark green, so that will be little bit basic in the nature. If it is going to be blue to violet, so that means that will be basic. Okay, and as it is going to be acidic, so that means the color will be change, orange to orange, then pink, and after that in the strong acidic nature, that will be get dark red or the maroon in the color. So here you have to understand, as the pH value decreases, acidic strength increases. As the pH value increases, then the basic value increases. Okay, so the next thing, as we have to talk about the pOH. So how the pOH it is to be find out, we have to use the formula negative logarithm OH ion. Okay, as we have used in the term of pH, we have used H plus ion. So in terms of pOH, we have to use OH ion. So this was a general introduction that I have given about the acids and bases, and their numerical problem we will discuss in the next session. I hope you all have got it properly. That's all for today's session.